Alright, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 9. Alright, so we have this piecewise defined function, and we want to find these limits and the function value. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so if you are approaching 1 from the left, so we need to use, let's say x is less than 1, so we need to use the top formula. So this is going to be limit of 3x as x approaches 1 from the left. Alright, but since this is just a linear function, you can just plug in. So it's going to be 3 times 1, which is going to be 3. Right? So we got that. How about part B? Right? So x is approaching 1 from the right. So this is going to be a limit of, alright, so if you're approaching from the right, so it's going to be bigger than 1. So you have to use the bottom formula, which is x squared plus x. Right, as x approaches 1 from the right. Right, again, this is just a polynomial function or quadratic function. So you just plug in 1. So 1 squared plus 1, which is going to be just 2. Right. Since part A and part B gives you different values, we know that the two-sided limit does not exist. Right, so this is the answer. Maybe does not exist. Right, this is because since part A does not agree with part B. Right, find f of 1. So 1 belongs to the bottom one because there's equality there. So we need to use the bottom formula. So f of 1 is 1 squared plus 1, which is going to be equal to 2. Alright, and part E said that is f continuous at 1? Answer is no. So answer is no. Since limit of f of x as x minus 1 does not exist. Right. Not only it has to exist, and it has to be the same as f of 1. In this case, the limit doesn't even exist. So therefore, by definition, f is not continuous at x equals 1. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.